All right. I can't believe our producer got Dale and poor Akira to come in here and make Papa Show out of themselves. But it's, it's what we do. All right. So your names are about to be ruined forever. We apologize for that in advance. Akira Galway as Miss Jamaica Festival Queen, but she's here this morning in her capacity as part of your management team. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How long has that been going on?
A couple years.
Oh, yes, sir. All right, good. So it's girls versus boys in a game of...
Me have an issue with that.
What's the issue with that?
Well, me want to play with the girls, not
Yeah.
against them.
Because the girls are going to win now.
No, that's not nothing to do. We're not going to win. I said that.
We are going to win, it's okay.
You want to play with the girls?
Yes, not against them.
Yeah.
Some things never change. All right, the game is called Tongue Tied to the Beat. Apparently, we'll have to rap a tongue twister to rack up points. So we're going to get a chance at the same tongue twister for each round. So each of us will have a chance.
No, man, they're the artists, so me win then. All right, come, run it.
Who's first?
Me,
Are
must
we
be
gonna
me.
Toss or?
No, just run it now.
No.
Sure.
Run it now.
So let's see the tongue twister.
And make I hear
And can they get the beat?
music now. Me and
You said you first. Go.
So the niece sees the fleece, the niece sees the fleas, at least the niece could sneeze and feed and freeze the fleas. 1 1 was a racehorse, 2 2 was 1 2 1 1 1 1 race 2 2 1 1 2. No, sir.
I have a question.
What?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Are you hearing the same beat we're hearing?
Yes, man. Don't worry about it.
I
you
have
don't worry
another
about
question.
it.
I have another question.
No, just go.
I have
Just
another
show.
question.
What?
Other nationalities do you have in your blood?
I'm a Canadian.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, I'm a Canadian.
Yeah, there's something a little slightly
Yeah.
Caucasian.
Just run. But you're not
in your-
supposed to be talking about us. Talk about yourself.
No,
run.
no. But it's not part. I'm sorry. It's not part of the game producer that he has to be on beat.
No, but don't you want to beat me? You go
Abstract.
and beat. Thank you very much.
Abstract.
Thank you
No,
It's
it's
not-
on beat. No.
Go on
No,
now.
not
Go.
good.
Go.
As a musician, you have abstract
Go.
and you're completely deaf.
You know, she's
Alright.
doing this because she don't want to do nothing. So she
Sure.
went, thank you. So Jody say, yeah. She just
No.
went, no.
Give me a break.
Do your thing,
Oh,
man.
give me a break. So who is next? Is it DL or is it our team?
Your team.
Oh, we have to do it again. All right, Kira, you want to take it?
All
Right.
right.
Let me take it. Talk. All right.
Ready?
Up with the rhythm, now, man.
Ready?
Yeah.
Deal, something.
4, 3,
No.
go on.
The niece sees the fleece, the niece sees the fleece.
Oh.
At least the niece could sneeze and feed and freeze the fleece. 1 was a racehorse, 2 was a...
No, say
two,
no.
one, two.
No, you
Of
lose.
course.
No.
Of course.
No, here no.
At
Here
least she
no.
was on beat when she dropped
No,
off.
listen no.
It's all good, it's all
Listen,
good,
no.
it's all good,
The
it's all good.
rules are
There's no
that,
one.
if,
The rules.
that if you get twisted, you lose.
All right.
And you got
No,
twisted.
Never go
it's the
straight
dynamic
through.
of it.
No,
Never
No,
go
it's the
straight
dynamic
through.
of it.
True.
No,
You lose.
it's yours.
Thank you very much.
One,
No,
never.
First of all, he wasn't even on the beat
That's
Why
Why are you?
The entire
But
time.
why are you going on with that?
because the rules
See there,
said.
never
You have to
one.
be-
Thank
Never
you.
won someone.
All
Thank you
right,
very much.
keep it going.
Deal, your time now. Right, after I said Chod. The next one.
It's coming.
Come on, man. You know. Aye.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's go. Luke Luck likes licks. Luke Duck likes licks. Luke Luck licks licks. Luke's Duck licks licks. Duck takes licks in lakes. Luke Luck likes. Luke Luck takes licks in lakes. Duck likes. 1 1 was a racehorse. 2 2 was 1 2. 1 1 1 1 race. 2 2 1 2. Team Never in the place. Give me your freestyle and with. Oh, that's 2-0. Somebody come and get us because you know that we not going nowhere.
Okay, that is bad. That is bad. That is
Alright,
bad.
alright.
That is
Yeah.
Bad. And that was a difficult tongue twister.
Oh, yes.
I couldn't even
No,
go
it
so
was
far.
easy for us.
It was.
for us.
Of course.
I will name us.
True love.
I like a deal.
Dude, love.
Yeah. All right. Go
Pressure.
on.
Right.
So-
do it, Simon, do it.
Yeah, me can't take it double step.
Yeah.
I gotta go single step because it's a tough one. So Luke Luck likes lake. Luke's duck likes lakes. Luke Luck licks lakes. Luck's duck licks lakes. Duck tails licks in lakes. Luke Luck likes and Luke Luck takes licks in lakes. duck likes. And we say one was a racehorse. Two was 1, 2. One race. Two, 1, 1, 2. And I go.
First thing, hold on. First thing.
Yeah.
No, if I go and do it as slow as that, I cannot miss. That does depend. Never and say more. I'm not gonna get it right. No.
I'm sorry.
Tongue
Is
twister.
there
You must
a-
go fast. You're lows.
All right,
Neville, 2.
let's go.
No.
I can't even bother. Just give him all the points and let's go. Go on.
And Dale, I go first this time. You next. Me I dancer. I want a flag. Me I flag man. Me I flag.
I'm sorry. So our team gets no points for a while ago? That's all I'm asking.
They're suggesting that Dale beat you.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, is that how the game is played?
You know so?
Oh, I thought that's not. Oh.
But
apparently.
again, I almost fell asleep because look, lick.
Give them the credit
There
now,
were
man.
no,
Give them
there
the
were
credit,
no,
you know, give them
there
the
were no
credit,
rules
man.
about the
Right.
pace of the.
What?
Yeah, there were no
No,
rules for you.
no, wait, no, but a tongue
should get it
twister. The
right.
reason this is a tongue twister is because you're supposed to go fast and
Alright.
see if you can do it.
Okay, got it,
No, sir.
got it.
All right, you do this, sir.
I mean,
Yeah.
I like this one. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Say it quick, say yellow
Okay,
butter,
stop.
purple red.
Yeah,
say
you
it
know,
Quick was not
you
there.
know.
Close.
Yeah,
Oh,
all right.
no.
You see how we fear?
True.
It's my team, you know, but I come in and say, well,
I'm out, you know, so this is all on Akira. I'm not playing this game.
All right.
Can't
no,
get
wrong
two.
too.
Yeah.
Same.
Whoever's flow is better, so who judges that? Who the two teams? Go on, Akira. What do you think? I'm here to support you, girl.
All right. Yeah. Huh? All right. Ready? Okay.
I can't play
And
this game with you guys.
yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thick, say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thicker, say it quicker. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Don't eat with your mouth full.
No.
More me, more you send me. And so me, remember me can get a more. Me no more. Me send me to.
Hold on, no,
me
no,
more.
no.
I don't know what language is.
Good job. I was with you. You're doing real good.
I don't know what to
Gotta
say,
be a
but you
1
wasn't
point
saying
in
what
there.
was on screen.
Good job, lady. I think that's even half a point or 3/4 point for you.
All
In
right.
there.
That's it, right? That's it, eh? Oh,
Yellow butter, red
that's it.
jam,
Well, sorry.
I'm sure we won.
No, you didn't.
I'm sure we won. It's okay. You can try again. Good job.
It's all good.
Good
Respect.
job. Good job.
Respect there. Can you please let go of me, sir? Respect.
Neville 2 and Simera get 1. I am sorry. Poor thing.
It's okay.
All right, so come. Stay with us.